So this is the 28mm Strife from Cloud Chasers Inc. Just got it in today. I got the copper one. Comes with a nice little battery safety card. And there she is. Say hello to my little mascot here, Ursa. Alright, I'm gonna unwrap everything and we'll take a closer look. So here's everything unwrapped. Comes with this little box, and you have some O-rings, a squonk pin, and you have screws for your 4 post holes and for your clamps. I'll show you that in a second. This thing is really solid. Like even this part is heavy, but very nice. Comes with 3 different barrels. This is the one that was on it, and I'm gonna use this one. It looks more like my style. The deck, very well machined. You have 2 different styles. You have the clamps, and then, which I love the style of the clamp, how it has that lip, so you can have something to hold on to. Or you can take these clamps off and use 2 of the screws on each side under here and put your coil in that way. So it's a very innovative deck. Also, this squonk pin, it's pretty long, so it's gonna rise up in the deck, and you don't have to worry about juice going back down the hole. After you squonk, it'll actually stay on the deck. So that's really nice. I gotta hand it to CCI. Like, everything is solidly machined. Has Cloud Chasers Inc. engraved. And that's solid copper. And you also have options for your tips. I'm probably gonna either use that copper tip or just my black one from my Centurion. But that's it. I'm gonna throw a build in there and we'll try it out. Alright, so here's the build. I used 3mm coils, and I don't like clamp decks, but that clamp is really easy. So you can just pull up on the sides here, and there's no sticking or anything. It's very easy to use those clamps. I actually prefer the 4 holes, but I wanted to show someone how it has both, so I left the clamps on there, but I'm gonna put it together and vape it. And it fits. Seems to fit kind of tight. Those CCI's O-rings seem to always be really tight first. So I got decent airflow setting. You can see that squonk pin in there. I gotta love that all copper. I'll probably use a different tip eventually. I just want to leave it on there for now. But I'm gonna turn it around and vape on it a little bit. Vape on the Strife 28. Oh, that's good. That's really good. So, gonna. Whew. A little bit of a head rush there, but I don't know if I like it more than Centurion yet, but it's nice. I like the copper. So that's it.